Bullish Yearn Finance cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $25,047.19 and $47,311.35 by 2030. Market experts accept YFI could reach $19,481.14 by 2025. Bearish Yearn Finance market cost expectation for 2023 is $4,452.83. Yearn Finance presentation. It expects to streamline the consistently growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the people who favor less committal communications than proficient merchants. The help, referred to at first as Yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had hazardous development throughout recent months as new merchandise have showed up and designers have delivered the YFI token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new YFI value expectations and endeavor to conjecture where the resources cost may be going from here on out. What makes Yearn Finance special? Yearn Finance is a remarkable stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn Finance likewise has its local token, YFI, which is utilized to drive the stage and give liquidity to clients. YFI tokens can be traded on different trades. What compels Yearn Finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its emphasis on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind Yearn Finance has made a framework that permits clients to boost their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most productive conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been unquestionably fruitful up to this point and has assisted Yearn Finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes Yearn Finance exceptional is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including shrewd agreements, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary unified monetary establishments. A key component that makes Yearn Finance extraordinary is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure compensations from taking part in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their expenses. Yearn Finance specialized investigation. The YFI cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. YFI is a decentralized money token that controls the Yearn Finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to procure interest on their crypto resources. It additionally gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to take part in administration choices. The all-out supply of YFI is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could build its worth over the long run as request develops. The YFI's cost expectation framework depends on verifiable information, specialized, and principal investigation. Do your own examination and don't take the YFI cost estimate as monetary exhortation. Yearn Finance current cost. In the first place, Yearn Finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, an in vogue better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of Yearn Finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for YFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like YFI, as an ever-increasing number of clients run to decentralized finance conventions. The interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the primary drivers of YFI's cost rally lately. Yearn Finance is at present worth $5,566.04 USD. YFI has moved 0.85% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,628,719. Yearn Finance is at present positioned 115 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $201,166,861 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Yearn Finance to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Yearn Finance value expectation 2023. Yearn Finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The YFI cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $8,349.06, averaging $7,792.46 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. YFI is supposed to have a base worth of $6,679.25. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Yearn Finance YFI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of YFI will before long outperform $13,915.10. Taking into account the market unpredictability, YFI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $11,132.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $12,245.29. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. YFI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $17,811.33 and a low of $16,698.12 in 2025. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Yearn Finance effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the YFI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, YFI will be green in 2026. The YFI is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $25,047.19, with a base cost of $22,264.17 and a typical cost of $23,377.37. Yearn Finance Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the YFI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $28,943.41 by 2027, with a base cost of $27,830.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, YFI has a greatest value worth of $30,613.23. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $34,509.46. In the event that YFI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $36,179.27. Neglecting to accumulate the help YFI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $33,396.25. Yearn Finance Value Expectation 2029. While YFI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $38,962.29 and a yearly cost close above $41,745.31 in 2029. Yearn Finance Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Yearn Finance will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $44,528.33 and